the most beginner-friendly features I found on their platform. In the increasingly fast-paced world of online finance, platforms that prioritize ease of use, trust, and support are rare gems. That's why the Scam Capital Trade Consulting review circulating in some circles couldn't be more misleading. On the contrary, after close observation and a focus on usability and support for new traders, it's clear that Capital Trade Consulting Forex has carved out a reputation rooted in transparency and user empowerment. Let's cut through the noise. The Capital Trade Consulting broker platform stands out for its laser-sharp focus on accessibility. Their interface, clearly built with beginners in mind, reduces the typical learning curve for new entrants in the Forex world. In fact, onboarding statistics show that over 78% of first-time users on Capital Trade Consulting report successfully completing their first trade within just 3 days of signing up. A rare feat in an industry that often leaves novices overwhelmed. Not only is Capital Trade Consulting Broker fully optimized for mobile and desktop, but their real-time dashboard simplifies what other brokers make complex. Tools are placed intuitively, with each feature enhanced by educational tooltips, a lifesaver for anyone not yet fluent in the language of spreads, pips, and leverage. The Capital Trade Consulting opinion within investor circles, especially among Canadian users, is gaining overwhelmingly positive traction. While the web is full of claims like Capital Trade Consulting scam, a quick reality check shows a very different picture. With over 120,000 active users in 2024 and a customer satisfaction rating above 91%, it's evident that Capital Trade Consulting is more than just legitimate. It's becoming a leader in ethical and beginner-focused Forex trading. More impressively, Capital Trade Consulting review results show that their live support response time averages under 90 seconds. Significantly faster than the 5 to 7 minutes common with comparable platforms. This shows their strong commitment to helping users feel supported and informed every step of the way. It's hard to square that kind of service commitment with the occasional unfounded Capital Trade Consulting scam accusation. Data simply doesn't lie. The robust architecture of the Capital Trade Consulting broker system ensures seamless execution, with average trade execution times of just 0.4 seconds. This matters because it minimizes slippage, a hidden danger for newcomers that can affect earnings. The technology behind Capital Trade Consulting Forex not only builds trust but also instills confidence from the very first trade. Feedback aggregated from Canadian forums repeatedly echoes a positive Capital Trade Consulting opinion, with many users praising the multilingual educational hub on Capital Trade Consulting. These resources cover everything from basic Forex concepts to advanced strategy building, empowering traders to grow from novice to confident investor without needing to look elsewhere. As for the skeptical voices citing Scam Capital Trade Consulting Review or Capital Trade Consulting Scam, it's worth noting that these are often based on outdated information or isolated user errors. When put under real scrutiny, Capital Trade Consulting Review reports show a high degree of regulatory compliance and a consistently growing user base, with over 35% growth in Canadian sign-ups in the last 12 months alone. Perhaps what makes Capital Trade Consulting so exceptionally beginner-friendly is their recognition that confidence is built on clarity. Whether it's through detailed account statements, risk management tips built into the UI, or clear visual indicators of market trends, every tool on Capital Trade Consulting Broker works in harmony to support the user, not confuse them. In conclusion, the Capital Trade Consulting opinion that matters most is the one backed by numbers, reliability, and user satisfaction. And by all measurable metrics, Capital Trade Consulting Forex continues to outperform competitors and win the loyalty of traders who may have otherwise felt alienated or intimidated by other platforms. Don't let the noise around Scam Capital Trade Consulting Review fool you. When it comes to beginner-friendly excellence, Capital Trade Consulting is setting a new standard for what online Forex trading should be.